48 to 72 hours fasting, deep ketosis and brain benefits. Explain. Have you ever experienced that sudden burst of mental clarity and calm after going a couple of days without food? What if I told you this isn't just a coincidence, but a powerful, natural process your brain enters during extended fasting, and your brain taps into a fuel that can supercharge focus, memory, and even protect against aging? Welcome to PharmaconHealth. Today we unlocking the secrets behind what happens between 48 and 72 hours of fasting when your body switches gears into deep ketosis. Whether you're curious about fasting for health, mental performance, or longevity, understanding this critical window can change how you view food and fuel forever. In this video, we'll take you on a journey inside your body, showing how fasting sparks a brain-boosting transformation backed by cutting-edge science. What happens when you hit 48 to 72 hours of fasting, but what happens when you stop filling the tank? Think of it like switching your brain's engine from regular to premium, smoother, cleaner, and stronger. Imagine your body like a hybrid car. Normally, it runs on sugar, the quick, easy fuel from the food you eat. After about 24 hours of fasting, your body begins burning stored fat, producing molecules called ketones. By 48 to 72 hours, your system has fully shifted into deep ketosis. Your brain's main energy source is no longer sugar, but these ketones. They reduce inflammation, lower oxidative stress, and provide more energy per molecule. That's the ketones at work. Ketones also influence gene expression, turning on pathways that enhance mitochondrial function, the tiny power plants inside every cell. Increased GABA activity brings calmness, while balanced glutamate helps you stay alert without stress. It's not just anecdotal, your brain really works differently and better during this phase. The better your mitochondria work, the sharper and more energetic your mind becomes. This is a game changer. Ketones are not just fuel, they're powerful signaling molecules that tell your cells to clean house, repair damage, and run more efficiently. It removes toxic buildup linked to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, helping preserve cognitive function and slow aging. Why your brain loves ketones more than sugar ones? Here's the twist. Your brain actually prefers ketones in many ways. Glucose, while readily available, creates metabolic waste that can inflame your brain over time. Ketones, especially beta-hydroxybutyrate, burn cleaner. This cleaner fuel means your brain cells aren't just surviving, they're thriving. The mental clarity you didn't expect. Ever notice how after a couple of days without food, your mind suddenly feels sharper, more focused, even calm? BDNF enhances learning, memory, and mood regulation. It's one of the reasons fasting is linked to reduced risk of depression and neurodegenerative diseases. Ketosis balances your brain's neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers like GABA and glutamate that control mood and cognition. Science backs this up. Studies show that people in ketosis perform better on memory and attention tasks, highlighting the powerful cognitive benefits of this metabolic state. Autophagy, your brain's deep clean. But before you try extended fasting, it's important to remember that people with certain health conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and those with a history of eating disorders should consult a doctor first. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Between 48 and 72 hours of fasting, your body activates autophagy, a self-cleaning process where damaged cells and protein clumps are broken down and recycled. In your brain, autophagy works like a deep spring cleaning, clearing out damaged cells and waste. This cellular detox is essential for long-term brain health, and fasting is one of the most effective natural ways to activate it. Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, or BDNF. Stay consistent, be patient, and track your progress to find what works best for you. BDNF is like fertilizer for your brain, nourishing growth and strengthening connections, and releasing growth factors that support mental clarity and long-term brain health. Fasting boosts levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that encourages new neuron growth and strengthens connections between brain cells. Higher BDNF levels also protect your brain from stress and degeneration. Hormonal shifts that supercharge brain repair. Your hormones don't just sit quietly during fasting. Growth hormone surges during this time, promoting tissue repair and muscle preservation. At the same time, your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, helping stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation, a key factor in brain aging. Together, these hormonal changes create the perfect environment for your brain to heal, regenerate, and perform at its best. How to safely experience 48 to 72-hour fast. If you're thinking, this sounds amazing, I want to try, hold on for a moment. Extended fasting isn't for everyone. When you do fast, stay hydrated and keep your electrolytes balanced: sodium, potassium, magnesium to avoid dizziness and fatigue. Start slow, build up from shorter fasts. Listen to your body and break your fast if you feel unwell, making extended fasting a brain-boosting habit. When practiced wisely, 48 to 72-hour fasts can become a powerful tool in your health toolbox. Incorporate them once every few weeks or months alongside a brain-healthy lifestyle. Think quality sleep, nutrient-rich food, and regular exercise. Remember, benefits build over time. To gently wrap things up, fasting beyond 48 hours helps your body switch into a special metabolic state, flooding your brain with ketones and starting a natural deep cleaning process at the cellular level. This can support clearer thinking, brain repair, and overall mental well-being. If you're curious about these benefits or thinking about trying fasting yourself, feel free to share your questions or experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. For a more in-depth look at how fasting affects your whole body, you might enjoy our video, What Really Happens to Your Body During Extended Fasting? A deep scientific breakdown. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to PharmaconHealth for more gentle, science-backed health guides. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Here's to nourishing your brain naturally and kindly.